Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I actually created this simple fresh makeup look that's wearable on a daily basis. If you guys would like to know how I created this look, please keep watching. So as usual, I'll be starting off with my Bobbi Brows Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I'm just going to apply it on screen. And next, I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown's Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. I'm using the shade Warm Natural, and you know what? Today I'm gonna be applying this just using my fingers. I think I'm gonna go for about 2 pumps. And I'll just add in more if I feel that it's not enough. Next up, I'm gonna use concealer. Just gonna conceal my eye area up and also all the acne scarrings that I got recently. And I'm gonna be using my MAC Mineralize concealer. This is in the shade NW25. It's one of my really favorite go-to concealers for a very long time. I'm going to use my fingers to just conceal whatever that's needed. And then again, I'm just, tapping them out. I use the same technique when I actually use my brushes, especially when it comes to concealing. Tapping on the scars so that it actually lightens it up. Okay, and for the under eye area, I'm going to be using my 4th finger so that it has lesser pressure around the delicate eye area. And again, I'm just going to bring the concealer up onto my entire eyelids. Okay. Next up, I'm actually going to be using, I'm moving on to liquid blush. I'm actually going to apply this on the cheeks of, on my apple of my cheeks somewhere, going upwards. So I'm going to be using the liquid blush by Nars, and I'm using the shade called Torrid. I love this, by the way. It's so easy to use and it's super duper long lasting. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my finger and I'm just going to apply on an upward motion. Again, I'm going to be just using my fingers to just blend the product in, and I'm going upwards to have that, Next up, I'm going to be using my Cover FX, what's it called? Custom Enhancer Drops in the shade Rose Gold. So I'm just going to be using this as a highlighter, as a liquid highlighter. This is how it looks like. I adore this product to bits. It's super easy and it can be used for many it can be used in many ways. That's what I really love about this product. Anyways, I'm just going to apply it on the highest part of my cheekbones. for eyes, I'm gonna keep it really simple. I'm in fact just gonna be using this palette itself. It's the Tarte's Foil Finger Paints, and I'm actually gonna be using this shade over here. This one, it's called Gold Coast, and I'm just going to swipe it very quickly, very subtly using my finger again, and I'm going to be using the fourth finger. It's actually a finger foil eyeshadow, so it's best used with your fingers and not a brush. And since this makeup is something more towards the fresh and a glowy kind of look, I am keeping it extremely simple, just swiping the color up all over my eyelids and just blending it up with my fingers itself. And finally, I'm going to be setting my face up with the Charlotte Tilbury's Flawless Finish, the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. A very slight swipe of it all over to just lock the makeup in. Next up, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using my ever favorite Bobbi Brown eyebrow pencil, and it's in the shade Saddle. So I'm just going to fill them up first. I've got a few gaps on my eyebrows, and I just go in to fill up wherever there are gaps, there are holes, and any sort of unevenness. Okay, once I fill them in, I actually go on to comb it out with the spoolie end. Okay, I think that should be it for eyebrows. I'm moving on to eyeliner. I'm going to be using the gel eyeliner from Maybelline, and instead of black, I'm actually going to be using a brown one to just keep it, I don't know, simple, natural, and something that's not too strong. Okay, a very simple, easy eyeliner, brown eyeliner. So I'm going to do the same for the other side. Next up, I'm going in with mascara, and I'm using Essence Instant Volume Boost on both my lower and upper lashes. Okay, once mascara is done, finally we are going on to lipstick. I'm going to be using Nars lipstick in the shade Tonka. It's a matte lipstick, and it's a natural brown kind of shade, I would say. Anyway, it's really cute. It's super tiny as well. This is the shade that I'm using. It's Tonka from Nars. Just quickly applying it to my lips. I just love this kind of colors. Anyways, this is the finished look. Simple, glowy, fresh sort of makeup that you can actually wear it on a daily basis. So let me know what you guys think about this look. Would you wear it? Let me know in your comments. Till then, stay safe guys. Bye!